Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed tofu with shallot sauce. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we're going to steam our silken tofu. I have with me over here 1 piece of 300 grams silken tofu. I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove this from the casing. We need to remove some of the water here first, so please have a bowl ready. Use a pair of scissors, cut off one of the corner over here. Just gently like this, will be fine. Turn it over to the other side and tear off this part like this. Cutting the corner off is so that air can actually flow through and it will be much easier to remove the tofu. So you just tear this off. Very simple, just place this on your hand and you see how easy it is to remove it. And we just move this to our steaming plate. We will steam our tofu now. Now I'm going to steam my tofu, and to do so, I'll be cooking my rice together. The steam from cooking the rice will heat up the tofu too. Of course, you know that you can actually enjoy this cold, but for me, I want this to be warm and hot so that it can complement the rest of my dish. So I just put it on my steaming rack, close the lid, and on it. And while waiting for the tofu to heat up, let's prepare our sauce. Now I'll prepare the sauce for the tofu. I have with me over here 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, as well as half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well and we'll set this aside. Now we'll prepare our crispy shallot and shallot oil. Heat up a pan using medium heat, add in oil. We need to add in a little bit more oil because it will be easier to fry the shallot. For any of the excess oil over here that we are not using or we will not be using, we can use them to fry vegetables. We do not need to wait for the oil to be heated up. Just add in 6 pieces of shallot, sliced very thinly like this, put them all in. Important thing for this is to keep moving the shallots around. We don't want to burn them. Once you place the shallots in, turn the heat down to medium-low so that it will be easier for you to fry and there's no danger of burning them. Keep moving them around. We'll fry them until they are light golden brown and then we'll separate the shallots from the oil. Do not fry them until they are too dark because the residual heat will cook them further. Move them around like this. This will take a short while and I will show you the end result in a while. I've been frying this for about a minute or so and they have browned beautifully like this. We will now remove them from heat and separate the shallots from the oil. I place a sieve on a metal bowl so that we can actually separate the oil from the shallot. So just pour everything in. Now all we have to do is to assemble the dish together. Before we pour the sauce and the shallots on the tofu, we add 2 tablespoons of the oil into the sauce here. This is very fragrant and it will add a lot of very nice flavor to the tofu. Mix them up well, and once the tofu is done, we'll pour this on our tofu. Our sauce is done. The tofu should be hot already, although we still need to cook the rice further. We just remove the tofu first. Gently remove the tofu. Now keep the water over here. We are going to pour our sauce over the tofu. So this is the steamed tofu and we are going to pour this sauce all over the tofu. It's going to be so delicious. Remember to mix the sauce well with the tofu before you enjoy it. Now we add in a good handful of spring onions. And of course, the crispy shallots that we have prepared. This is going to be so good. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Smells so good because I really love the smell of the shallot oil. I love to mix this up with the sauce. This will be the perfect dish for those on a vegan diet. Now to try it. It tastes like a savory douhua. Super smooth, super nice. The saltiness is just nice. The crispy shallot really add a next layer of fragrance to this dish. This is really fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. Whoa.